Welcome to Dakota Recommends Chicago Edition. Today, I'm guiding you through some of Chicago's best places to eat, recharge, stay, and experience the city like a local. Whether you're visiting for business, exploring for the weekend, or searching for your next unforgettable meal, we've got you covered. Let's get started. First up is Abba, a stylish Fulton Market favorite serving Mediterranean-inspired dishes in a beautiful rooftop setting. Think creamy hummus, grilled meats, shareable plates, and cocktails that taste even better surrounded by greenery. It's perfect for dinner with clients, drinks with friends, or any evening that deserves a little extra atmosphere. Next, we're heading to Duck Duck Goat in the West Loop. This lively spot brings bold flavors, creative Chinese-inspired dishes, and plenty of personality to the table. Bring a group, order several dishes to share, and prepare to debate which plate deserves the final bite. Our advice, order one more than you think you might need. For waterfront dining and vacation energy without leaving Chicago, there's Pizzeria Portofino. You'll find hand-stretched pizzas, refreshing drinks, and a bright riverside atmosphere that feels made for a sunny afternoon. It's relaxed, social, and an ideal stop between an evening downtown. Come for the pizza, stay for the river views. Need a serious caffeine boost? Make your way to Sawada Coffee in the West Loop. It's known for the creative drinks, bold espresso, and an effortlessly cool atmosphere. It's the perfect place to start your morning, catch up with a colleague, or recover after a long night in Chicago. Next is Goddess and the Baker, a colorful cafe in the heart of the Loop. Coffee pastries, breakfast, lunch. It's an easy crowd pleaser when everyone in your group wants something different. It's also a great place to grab a quick bite between meetings or sightseeing stops. Convenient, upbeat, and highly photogenic. What more could you need? For classic style with your coffee, stop by Ralph's Coffee on the Magnificent Mile. The space is polished, charming, and unmistakably Ralph Lauren. Grab a coffee, enjoy the atmosphere, and take a well-earned break from shopping. It's sophisticated, comfortable, and a little bit iconic. Now let's talk stays, starting with the Hoxton in Fulton Market. It's modern, energetic, and located right in the middle of one of Chicago's best dining and nightlife neighborhoods. The inviting public spaces also make it a natural choice for casual meetings. Group gatherings are great, and social events. You can check in, meet for drinks, host an event, and head out for dinner, all without leaving the neighborhood. For elevated luxury along the Chicago River, the Langham is hard to beat. The rooms are elegant, the service is polished, and the location offers easy access to both River North and downtown. It's an excellent choice for executive travel, special occasions, or anyone who believes a hotel should feel like part of the destination. Calm, refined, and effortlessly luxurious. And finally, there's Viceroy Chicago in the Gold Coast. This boutique hotel pairs contemporary design with one of the city's most classic neighborhoods. You're close to great restaurants, shopping, nightlife, and the lakefront, with stylish accommodations waiting when the day is done. It's sophisticated without feeling stuffy, and central without feeling overwhelming. And there you have it, 3 restaurants, 3 coffee shops, and 3 hotels to add to your Chicago itinerary. Whether you're planning a business trip, organizing an event, or enjoying a weekend in the city, these Dakota-approved spots have you covered. Thanks for joining me on Dakota Recommends Chicago Edition, and I'll see you out in the city.